Welcome to the Skulls Olympics, where the learning meets action. Today we are showcasing the talent and teamwork of students from the College of Industrial Technology as they apply their hands-on skills in refrigeration and air conditioning. In this event, participants demonstrate copper tube brazing, a critical technique used in refrigeration system. With precision and safety in mind, students learn how to properly join copper tubing using heat skills and focus. Next up, electrical controls and system wiring. Here, students were tasked with assembling and troubleshooting refrigeration control system. It's not just about knowing where wires go. It's about understanding how everything works together to make system run smoothly. From wiring relays to connecting thermostats, students display great attention to detail and technical understanding. This hands-on challenge tested their logic, patience, problem-solving abilities. More than just a competition, the Skills Olympics builds confidence and camaraderie. It's a platform for future professionals to showcase their expertise and passion for technical work. This is the future of skilled labor, and it looks bright. In the College of Industrial Technology, we don't just learn, we do. This is the Skills Olympics, and this is where skills come alive.